Today, we'll talk about another great coin and quick trade practice. From now on, I plan to make daily practice videos. They will be short and straight to the point. I plan to do this almost every day as long as I find some free time. If you're ready, let's do this. This was the setup of the day. It had a great opportunities to trade. So, what should have you looked at in this trade setup? Let's take a closer look at it. First of all, the daily chart. As you know, we talked in the Momentum Masterclass, weekly and daily charts are great for bias. Price was trying to fill the daily imbalance here. This was a long time pullback, as you can see. With the 2-hour time frame, what I have noticed is that price is in a magnificent and very powerful rally here, using momentum imbalances and keep pushing itself upwards, as you can see here. This was a 30% move. This was a crazy powerful move to trade. This significant move made this coin the #1 top gainer of the day. But the question remains very simple. How to trade this? Now we checked daily, then 2 hours, now 5 minutes. But why 5 minutes? Why not 1 or 3 minutes? Because the 5 minutes had the clearest structure we can ever see. During the rally, this coin gives us about 5 pleasant structure boxes to trade. Possible 4 solid trades with every open and obvious imbalances. You should have taken any of these, and it was very simple to find this coin. Why? Because it was in the top list. If you check out any structure boxes with imbalances, you could have caught great quick moves. For example, notice this price switch concept from the masterclass in the yellow circle. Even if you had jumped very late to this rally, you could have caught the 4-5% move in this rally. But please do not get very greedy. Start taking profits with 2-3% gain. So, what really happened here? Price was filling its daily imbalance, and this crazy rally started. This rally made this coin the #1 gainer in the day. And the rest is simple structure boxes and imbalances to trade. I hope you have enjoyed this quick recap. I plan to do this daily from now on as long as I have the free time. Please take care and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care, friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.